أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فهو المهتدي ومن يضلل فلا هادي له والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا وحبيبنا ورسولنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن تبعه بالإحسان إلى يوم اللقاء آمين أما بعد. Ǹjẹ́ a dá ọpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run ọba àjọkẹ́ ayé, ọba onídáadáa fún gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀dá, ọba aláàánú fún àwọn ẹrú ẹ̀ tó dá, ọba tó gbé wa kalẹ̀ pẹ̀lú bó ṣe fẹ́ tó sì fẹ́ káwa náà máa ṣe dáadáa sí òun tó ń gbé wa kalẹ̀ pẹ̀lú dáadáa. Ìkẹ́ àti ìgẹ̀ kó máa bá ṣíwájú ẹ̀dá Ànábì wa Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, ẹni tí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ó yé wa pé wa ma arsalnaka illa rahmatan lil alamin, pé ìkẹ́ àánú ni mo gbé ẹ kalẹ̀ fún gbogbo àwọn ayé pátá. Bó ṣe wá ṣe dáadáa sí àwọn èèyàn, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ó ṣe dáadáa sí àwọn nǹkan abẹ̀mí yòókù náà. Ọlọ́run aṣàlékún kẹ́ àti ìgẹ̀ fún àti fún gbogbo àwọn ará ilé wọn. Ìjẹ́ gbogbo èèyàn máa yá nínú Islam kíra wa ní kíkí ọlá, ní kíkí àpọ́nlé, ní kíkí àlùbáríkà pé assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa, ètò ìbára ẹni sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìjọ Al-Falah Islamic Society of Nigeria, léyìí tí a ń bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ oríṣiríṣi tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láwùjọ àwa mùsùlùmí. Láti ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sẹ́yìn láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ lórí Islamic position on women and feminism. Islamic position on women and feminism. Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ṣàlàyé lórí ipò tí Islam gbé obìnrin sí. Eléyìí wà nínú episode 1 àkọ́kọ́ tí jẹ́ ẹ̀dógún. Níjẹ́ ẹjọ́ ní last week a sọ lórí the position of Islam on feminism. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ tó ń jẹ́ feminism gangan fúnra rẹ̀ àti oníranran àti tó ń jẹ́ ideology feminism yìí. Àwa jẹ́ ó yíra pé feminism is a reaction, is an agitation to some colonial values. It's a Western agitation to some colonial values. Léyìí tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn dìde pé bóò ni wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe àwọn obìnrin ní ìṣe èyí tí ò tọ́, làwọn obìnrin ibẹ̀ fi dìde pé àwọn fẹ́ jà, àwọn fẹ́ gba ara wọn sílẹ̀. Islam sì fàyélẹ̀ fún obìnrin, Islam ti jà fún obìnrin. Léyìí tẹ́ àfiwá ń jẹ́ ó yẹra pé kò sí nǹkan tó kan obìnrin mùsùlùmí pẹ̀lú ní tó ń jẹ́ feminism. Kò sí nǹkan tó kan obìnrin pẹ̀lú obìnrin mùsùlùmí pé òun fẹ́ jà fún liberation, òun fẹ́ gbára àwọn lẹ̀. Islam ti liberate gbogbo obìnrin, la fi jẹ́ ó yẹra wa pé àwọn nǹkan tí Islam ti ṣe lórí obìnrin, ó ṣàlàyé nípa ẹ̀mí obìnrin, bí obìnrin ṣe lè ní dúkìá, tó lè ní property fún ara rẹ̀, bó ṣe ní right láti ní àwọn ẹ̀tọ́ lórí àwọn nǹkan kan, àṣàlàyé. Lẹ́nìí tó máa jẹ́ the final episode on this feminism, òun ni the evils of feminism. Àwọn aburú tó wà nínú ideology, àwọn aburú tó wà níbẹ̀, and solutions tí Islam gbé kalẹ̀. Ajẹ́kóyè láti pìlẹ̀ pé Islam, Ọlọ́run sọ fún wa nínú Al-Quran, nínú suratu Ali Imran, Quran 3 verse 85. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Pé wa man yabtaghi ghayra al-islami dinan falan yuqbala minhu wa huwa fil akhirati minal khasirin. Al-Quran jẹ́ kó yé mi àti pé gbogbo ẹni tó bá mú nǹkan míì, tó bá lo nǹkan míì, tó bá ṣe nǹkan míì ní ẹ̀sìn, tó bá ṣe ní ọ̀nà pé Ọlọ́run ò ní gbà ní ọwọ́ rẹ̀, wa huwa fil akhirati minal khasirin, tó bá wá di ní ọ̀la àlìkìyámọ̀, irú níbẹ̀ ẹni òfò ni. Kí wá ní ìwúlò nǹkan téèyàn bá lè téèyàn jà fún láyé, téèyàn ò lo ọ̀nà àti ẹ̀tọ́ tí Islam tó gbà kalẹ̀ fún wa. Nǹkan tí wàá sọ̀rọ̀ dẹ́ ní òfò ní ọ̀la àlìkìyámọ̀, téèyàn ó kírun, tí ó gbàwẹ̀, tí ó ṣe hájì, tí ó yọ sàká, tí ó ṣe tahajjud, tí ó ṣe gbogbo dáadáa téèyàn máa ń ṣe láyé, tó wá di ní ọ̀la tó yẹ kó bá ní orí òṣùwọ̀n dáadáa, kan wá ní ọ̀nà bí tó gbà jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ, nǹkan tí Islam fẹ́ ni. Torí díẹ̀ yìí ó ti di ẹni òfò. Ọlọ́run má ṣe wá lẹ́ni òfò. Islam wá gbé ọ̀nà kalẹ̀ tí obìnrin mùsùlùmí láti fi béèrè ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ̀, ìyẹn fún obìnrin tí ò bá mọ̀. Àmọ́ obìnrin mùsùlùmí tó bá jókòó tó bá mọ̀ ẹ̀, tó bá jókòó tó ka Al-Qur'an, tó ka hadith Ànábì Muhammad dáadáa, tó dẹ̀ wòye sí ìtàn Islam, tó lè mẹ́ta ń ṣe wà ní tarikh al-Islam fi wà, Siratu Nabawiyya wà, àti àwọn tarikh al-Qur'an, àwọn ìtàn Al-Qur'an, àwọn ọmọ wà. A rí pé obìnrin ò nídìí kó pariwo ara ẹ̀ mọ́, kó jàfẹ́tọ̀ ara ẹ̀. Obìnrin láti attract ẹ̀tọ́ ni, tó bá attract ẹ̀tọ́ ó máa ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀. You don't need to have to demand and agitate. A fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí pé the evils in feminism. Àkọ́kọ́ lórí evil tó wà ní feminism, òun ni unrestricted demand and freedom for this right. Ìjà fún ẹ̀tọ́ yìí kò ní àlà, kò ní àbàwọ́n, kò ní òdiwọ̀n ipé bóyá ṣe lè jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀, kò ní. Ìjà fún ẹ̀tọ́ yìí a sọ níjọ́ ni pé nígbà tá a sọ nípa feminism in Nigeria ní 1914, nígbà táwọn obìnrin kan dìde tán bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ wọn, over 10,000 obìnrin ló dìde wọ́n fẹ́ jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ àwọn, but dozens of them ní ẹ̀mí wọn lọ sí. Unrestricted, wọ́n pé bá fẹ́ jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ yín, ara wọn ẹlòmíì from the western world. Ó dẹ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ iná lè máa táwọn obìnrin tí wọ́n bọ́ra lẹ̀ sí òhò, wọ́n náà fẹ́ fi òhò ara wọn, àwọn fi ṣépè fún yàn. Islam kò sí nǹkan tó kan obìnrin mùsùlùmí pẹ̀lẹ́lẹ́. Unrestricted and uncontrolled demand for this freedom. Àkọ́kọ́ àbúrútú wà bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn, ó sọ wọ́n di ẹranko kalẹ̀ ni. Ẹ̀kejì, feminism ó máa ń jẹ́ kéèyàn wà too materialistic and possessive. Ó jẹ́ kéèyàn máa di ẹni tí yòyòyò ayé tí máa wọ̀ lójú. Ìsọyàn di bẹ́ẹ̀ wípé àádá yìí àwọn náà fẹ́ dà, ẹni tọkùnrin ń ṣe àwọn náà fẹ́ ṣe. Àrò ọ̀rọ̀ tán máa ń sọ náà ni wípé what a man can do, a woman can do better. Ló wá sọ wọ́n di ẹni pé tọ̀, ẹni tí wá di pé ìwà ń wá nǹkan yìí, ó wá sọ di olójú kòkòrò tóbìnrin igun wá fi nítẹ́ lọ́rùn pé èmi náà fẹ́ kọ́lé, ní kéèyàn máa kọ́lé, ní kéèyàn máa ní property. But wọ́n máa ń fọ́nì sí mi náà, tẹ́ bá náà obìnrin mi máa ní àwọn náà fẹ́ ní private jet, ní kó má ní. But wo rẹ̀ wo àmọ́ ideology wípé tọ̀ ọkùnrin náà kúkú ń ṣe, kò dẹ̀ lórí méjì, àwa náà lè ṣe wẹ̀. The demand for equal rights in both social and political affairs. Another evil nìyẹn, wọ́n jẹ́ káwà too materialistic and too possessive. Mind you, and Islam fún àyè lẹ̀ fún obìnrin kó ní property. If Islam fún àyè lẹ̀ fún obìnrin kó jẹ ogún, kó jogún ọkọ, kó jogún bàbá ẹ̀, kó jogún ọmọ ẹ̀. Tó bá ní ẹ̀gbọ́n tó fogún lẹ̀, ó ní ẹ̀tọ́ sí. Tó bá ní àbúrò tó fogún lẹ̀, ó lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ sí. Lópin ìgbà tí irú obìnrin bẹ́ẹ̀ báyìí jẹ́ mùsùlùmí tí ò tí kó nínú Islam. Ẹ̀kẹta lára ewu tó wà nínú feminism yìí, òun ni increase in untimely death as a result of confrontation with the opposite sex. Confrontation yìí dojúkọ ọkùnrin wípé bó ṣe lẹ́tọ̀ọ́, èmi náà lẹ́tọ̀ọ́, ó ń fa ikú òjijì fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ obìnrin. Àwọn náà ń gbóríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n á jọ̀bẹ̀ síra wọn. Ó dẹ̀ ń fa ikú òjijì náà fún ọkùnrin náà. Tóbìnrin ní alọ́jọ̀bẹ̀ tí a gún ọkọ ẹ̀, tọkùnrin agbérin alámọ́yàwó, agbólóríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀. Ara ewu tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà nìyẹn. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin, there is high increase in silent killers of diseases, or silent disease killers. Àwọn àìsàn kéékèèké kan bẹ tó jẹ́ pé ó ti wọ́n increase lára àwọn obìnrin nísìn, because until engine tọ́lọ̀ ń gbé sí wọn nínú, wọ́n ti ń lò beyond the limit. Rise in BP, a lot of women are becoming more diabetic, even chronic diabetic for that matter. Some are picking up stroke now. Lẹ́yìn tí ó wà very common pẹ̀lú obìnrin tẹ́lẹ̀, because obìnrin á dá ní ẹ̀dá tó ṣe pé ẹ̀dá tí a fi sí ààyè pé máa sinmi. Ẹ̀kẹrin lára àwọn kìíní yìí, ìfú ẹ̀ ni pé it is an instrument to drive revenue. An instrument to drive revenue. Since 1995 downwards, there is increase in the number of women going out to demand, going out to make more money, going out to make more everything. Then there is increase in the revenue of the government. And when you look at the increase in revenue, then there is increase in crime. There is increase in so many home breaks. There is more havoc wrecking so many marriages. And there are a lot of separation coming in. Another point in feminism makes the women, or make the average woman, to be stone-hearted. Ó ń jẹ́ kí obìnrin di ọlọ́kàn líle, ó ń jẹ́ kó di ọ̀dájú, kó di ọlọ́kàn líle, kó di ọ̀dájú kalẹ̀. In the sense pé the struggle, ó jẹ́ kó sọ pé àwọn tí wà nínú jungle, the jungle of making more money, making more property, making to be more possessive. So wá di ọ̀dá wọn tí ẹ̀rọ ó sọ wọn lẹ́nu tí àbí àwọn àkókò ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti acquire. If a man can acquire 1, I can acquire 10. What a man can do, a woman can do better. Especially towards the men. Another evil point, there is tabarrujul jahiliya, show off, display of luxury and beauty. Display of beauty at tender age. Display of more sexuality. Sexuality in the sense that unnecessary exposure of the women treasures. We too, we can do this. Ashirale, see-through asho, transparent clothing, fitted clothing that are very fitted and tight-fitted. That they say it makes them to look smart, but in essence, it makes the average woman to be more masculine and to be more confrontational. Another point is that there is high increase in divorce. Feminism leads to high increase in divorce, high increase in separation, high increase to single parenthood. Because I can live alone. Marriage, they've even seen marriage to be a cage. Now, I can be a single parent and then I can be taking care of my work. Let me just, all this ideology. And at the long run, most women are not in marriage. You see them after 2-3 months of marriage, spending millions on the marriage, it will wreck. Kilofa. This ideology of feminism, where the woman is not ready to be submissive to the husband, where the woman is seen as staying at home or as being submissive to the husband, as being domesticated. That's under evil. And this is contrary what Islam has put on ground for us. At the long run, this increase in divorce and separation and single parenthood on the part of the women, it's making the idea of defatherization. When I say defatherization, making the men not to look more like a father before the marriage or before the family. Another evil of this feminism ideology is that it leads to increase in drug addiction. Drug addictions. Yes, because in trying to outsmart, some women are taking to drugs now. High drugs, so that they can perform. These are some of the evil. And at the long run, these drugs causes more damages to the health, and at times even to the unborn baby in some women. Another evil of feminism ideology is sex trafficking and prostitution. Yes, Because the freedom of sex and sexual desires and sexual demands leads to all this. Àánú máa ń ṣe mí pẹ̀lú àwọn ọkùnrin ìsìn. Wọ́n á ní àánú tún wá ṣe mí bí kìí ṣe pé àwọn tó tún bọ̀ lẹ́yìn tiwa. It will get to a time because a woman will be now saying, I am free also. You are free, especially Muslim women. They say, since you have right to marry 2, you have right to marry 3, you have right to marry 4. She too, she has right to have 2 husbands, to have 3, to have 4, and she will now have an husband at home and having extra men outside. That is a corporate prostitution. What about the open prostitution, where the women now, being a single parent, I don't want to stay under any man. When I need sex, I will invite someone to come and satisfy my yearnings. And I will pay the person. That man or that young man is a father, is a husband, is a son of someone. And you are using your own stupid ideology to destroy the life of that young man. Another evil of feminism is that it makes the women to be high-handedness. Or someone dignity, man sọ̀rọ̀ shaka. Unguarded utterances. Man also then to man sorrow anyhow. Sorrow without fact. Sorrow based on views. Emotional views. Sorrow without fact. This is another evil of that feminism. Number 13. Another evil is that feminism is a destruction to womanhood. It's a destruction to motherhood. It's a destruction. Feminism ló sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ obìnrin ó sọ wọ́n di very useless material. They are no longer wife materials, other than their sex materials in the hands of their predators. And who are the predators? The campaigners. They are the predators. It makes them sex machines in their hands. It's a destruction to womanhood in the sense that most ladies now are ready to be women and they don't want to be wives. And nígbà tí o bá ti sóbìrì tó fẹ́ jẹ́ ìyá nínú ilé kó láti fẹ́ rọ́mọ kò sí ìyá mọ́ kò sábíamọ mọ́ obìnrin nìkan ló wà. Nígbà tó obìnrin nìkan bá wà tí ò sí ìyá tí ò sábíamọ ẹ dákun báwo lẹ bí ò ṣe ní dà o báwo lọmọ ṣe fẹ́ jẹ́ èèyàn àwa lára àwọn ọmọ ń ta àwọn ọmọ lè yàkúyà káàkiri ta ló fẹ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ìyá ti ya wèrè tí ẹ kalẹ̀ ó ti ya dìbò lù kalẹ̀ ọmọ mi ń bẹ gbogbo ọ̀ranù tó ń ṣe ó yí ọmọ ó dẹ̀ mú kọ́ ó yí àwọn ọmọ náà àmọ́ síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ wọ́n ní bàbá yín lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ tiẹ̀ wọn náà lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ tòun náà lé wọn kálukú ṣe ayé tiẹ̀ lọ ideology burúkú ni ẹlòmíì dẹ̀ wá ń participate nínú ideology feminism yìí kò mọ̀ pé nǹkan burúkú ni ìpè ideology burúkú ni kò mọ̀. I'm telling you ìwọ tó bá wà involved nínú nǹkan báyìí mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí ò dáa ní Islam ní kí a jìnnà sínú ẹ̀. Present mothers àwọn ìyá àsìn àwọn ìyá yìí ti ń sọnù ìyá tó dẹ̀ ń sọnù nísìnyí kò ráyè tọ́jú àwọn ìyá míì mọ́ nígbà téèyàn lọ́mọbìnrin lọ́dọ̀ tí ò tọ́jú ẹ̀ tí ò kọ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun ṣe àwọn ìyá ń tàn àbí ìyá ò tán lẹ̀ ìyá ń tán lẹ̀ kádẹ̀ rántí pé nígbà tó bá ti pé obìnrin bá ti pé òun ò bímọ mọ́ tó bá ti bí ẹyọ kan òun pàdé mọ́ òun ò bímọ mọ́ òun para mọ́ ẹ dákun ìjẹ́ èèyàn ń tàn àbí ìjẹ́ èèyàn ò tán ìjẹ́ èèyàn ń tán lórí ilẹ̀. Another point níbẹ̀ òun ni pé nígbà tó bá di pé obìnrin bá ti wá ní pé tán òun ti dánira òun fún ara òun ó wá sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ obìnrin di free women èyí wọn lọ́mọ pé I'm available at any time I'm available and that evil then here it is evil against mankind for women to be free for we to say we are having free women. Although some are engaged in business, some are engaged with their daily activities, but they are free in the sense that they are not under the control of any man. They want a man who is controlling. but they don't want the man to be in control. They want a man who is controlling, but they don't want to be in control of a man. They want to be free. Free to go out at her own free will, to come back at her free will, to do as she wants, everything at her own free will. And I'm saying it, a free woman is an evil agent to the society of mankind. Point number 14, the evils, on the evils of feminism. It leads to the loss of identity of Muslim women. It leads to it. Ó sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ obìnrin Mùsùlùmí di ẹni tí ò dára ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Mùsùlùmí lòun. Obìnrin Mùsùlùmí ó láti ní identity kó dára ẹ̀ mọ̀, how she operates, how she talks, how she walks, how she dresses, and how she demands for her rights. You don't go diabolical and demonic in demanding for your something. You don't go haywire. You don't go at loss in demanding for your rights. The way these people are, these feminist ideologies are making their own demands. It's not expected of a Muslim woman to derobe herself in public, to remove her hijab, her headgear, her clothes, her everything, and be walking naked in the street, all in the name of demanding for your rights. Muslim women should not engage in that. Loss of identity on Muslim men, that it makes them to go against Islamic injunctions. To go against Islamic injunctions. Àwọn òfin ọlọ́tọ̀ọ́lọ́ gbé kalẹ̀, ó sọ obìnrin Mùsùlùmí lẹ́ni tó ń takò, ara burú bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Obìnrin Mùsùlùmí, ẹ wo ìdí ọtí ẹ bá ń bẹ, àti títà àti mímu ẹ bó obìnrin Mùsùlùmí bẹ. Tó bá ní kí ló dé àná ẹ̀tọ́ òun ni. After all, òun ni bọ́dì òun, ayé òun ni òun ṣe. Those are some of the evils. And ẹlọ́rántí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlòmíì ń bẹ nínú ideology feminism yìí, kò mọ̀ kan tó ń ṣe, kò mọ̀ túmọ̀ tó ń ṣe, wọ́n kàn jẹ́ òye pé fight for your right, demand for your right, wọ́n náà dẹ̀ demand for right yẹ, but kò jókòó kó béèrè pé àwọn wo ló gbé kíní ìkalẹ̀, báwo ló ṣe gbé kíní ìkalẹ̀, kí ló fà tó gbé kíní ìkalẹ̀, ṣé Islam òun ṣe ó fara mọ́. Another evil, point number 15, inability to raise next parenthood generation. Feminism ó sọ àwọn obìnrin dẹni tí ò lè raise àwọn ọmọ tí ó di òbí lọ́la. Tabawo, most of these single mothers, most, when I say most, yes, large percentage of them, we have some of them that are very good, some that are well entrenched in Islamic trainings, they can take care of the children. But some, you see, the girl child is not well trained, not well brought up, no good moral ethics in her. Likewise, the male child. When you don't have a good male child and a good female children now, then what will you say? I want to marry baba àti ìyá lọ́la. Feminism ti gbádànù lọ́wọ́ yín. Point number 16. Feminism promotes lesbianism. Feminism promotes lesbianism. It's promoted because in getting closer up, in being in their circle, the first comment, you look take away, you look kinky, you look this, you look that. Latibe, the prohibited part of the women is being touched, are being touched. You see them caressing themselves, you see them touching themselves, all in the name of God. After all, we are friends. Before you know what is happening, they become something else. When they become friends to each other, they go extra mile. We don't need men. You are my friend. We have sex toys that we can buy, we can be using. And when they are using all these things, all in the name, but if the man can be alone, which we can be alone, it promotes lesbianism. Those are the 16 points that we are able to raise as per the evils in feminism. Now, it is our normal norm on this our platform. When we raise an issue, we identify the problems, we analyze it in the light of the Quran and the Sunnah, then we provide solutions. What are the solutions? One is going back to the Islamic position on women. That is the first topic we treated on this series. You can go to our YouTube page, our Facebook page, you can go and bring it, take it there. But another point is that, and the solution is that you should remember that Allah has said, وَمَنْ يَبْتَغِي غَيْرَ الْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْهُ وَهُوَ فِي الْآخِرَةِ مِنَ الْخَاسِرِينَ. The first solution is that ọ̀la àlùkìyámọ̀ ṣé mo fẹ́ jẹ́ ní ire ní àbí báwo? Téèyàn bá ti fẹ́ jẹ́ ní òfò, àkọ́kọ́ ni pé gbogbo bí Islam bá ṣe gbé nǹkan kalẹ̀ fún obìnrin mùsùlùmí ni kóbìnrin mùsùlùmí tó kó tẹ̀lé. I'm talking to the Muslim Ummah today. So if non-Muslims are reacting to this my statement now, I'm less concerned about it. Because I'm talking to the Muslim women and the Muslim men. I'm talking to the Muslim Ummah in general. If you do anything outside the Islamic injunction as a way of life, Allah will not accept it. If you demand your rights, if you agitate for your rights outside Islamic injunction, you are going nowhere on the day of judgment. And there's nothing like Islamic feminism. It's a deceit and caginocy. So, number one, another point is that Islam regards men and women as complementary of each other. Women should see themselves as a complement to the efforts of the man. As a complement. Not as on a pari passu level with the man. Islam talks about gender equity. Islam never talks about gender equality, because Ọlọ́run tó dá ọkùnrin àti obìnrin kò gbé wọn kalẹ̀ pé they are of equal, even equal in creation. Ó dá wọn bẹ́ẹ̀, but the ability, they are not of equal ability. So a woman is a complement to the efforts of a responsible man. Number two, lójú Ọlọ́run gbogbo ẹ̀dá t'Ọlọ́run dá àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin aláti gbìyànjú ká jẹ́ èèyàn rere láyé, ká jẹ́ èèyàn rere, ká develop good spiritual devotion and development, ká dẹ̀ maintain àwọn ìwà ẹ̀kọ́, ìwà àbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run, ìwà àpáyọ Ọlọ́run ní gbogbo nǹkan tá bá ti ń ṣe. Látara àwọn ọkọ wa kóbìnrin bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run, látara àwọn ọmọ kóbìnrin bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run, látara ẹbí kóbìnrin bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run, látara àwùjọ kóbìnrin bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Another solution ni ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run, ìrántí Ọlọ́run, méjèèjì ká ṣe ayé dáadáa. La tufsidu fil ardi ba'da islahiha. Ọlọ́run ní ẹ má jẹ́ oníbàjẹ́ lórí ilẹ̀. Nígbàtẹ́ délé ayé ẹ̀bà dáadáa ni. Dáadáa ń bẹ nínú Al-Qur'an àti Sunnah àti tàríkì Islam fóbìnrin bá fẹ́ kọ́. Another solution, kí wọ́n kálukú mọ̀ rántí pé there is judgment. There is accountability. There is reward and punishment for all actions on this earth. Everybody should be conscious. There is judgment, and there is accountability, there is judgment, there is reward, and there is punishment. The Lord fi sọ fún wa pé yá ayyuhal ladhina amanu taqullaha wa litanzuru nafsun ma qaddamat lighadin wattaqullaha innallaha khabirun bima ta'malun. Allah said, oh ye believers, fear Allah, and you should watch what you are putting forth against tomorrow. Fear Allah again. Allah repeats it. Inna Allah khabirun bima ta'malun. Definitely, every one of us will be given the report of our action on this earth. Point number 4 on the solution. Àwọn obìnrin should do more corrections from the home front. From the home front, by guiding their husbands. All these corruption cases, all these too materialistic, tóbìnrin bá ti di ikú, being too possessive, tóbìnrin bá di ikú, tó bá di ikú wálẹ̀, tó di ikú wálẹ̀, ọkùnrin ò ní máa go extra mile in committing most crimes. There is no criminals you see today that you will not see a beautiful woman beside her, enjoying the money with her. Either a ritualist, either being occultic, either otherwise, you see a woman beside her. But if the woman is giving her admonitions, raising the voices that, hello, my husband is earning 100,000 in a month, but yesterday he bought a car of 20 million. I don't know how he got the money. The government should look into it. From there, the men are being collected. Those are the agitations that are expected and will be of good benefit to the society. Point number 5. The women should try as much as possible. They should reduce their high taste for worldly materials. Women should reduce it. Let it come down. When they reduce it, their brain will come back. There will be less agitations for all these material something. When they reduce it, there will be less. It's not expected of a woman of 40 years, 50 years, going haywire. It's all in the name of that, I want to enjoy my freedom. Number 6, women should instill dignity and integrity of family values into their labor, into their marriage. Obìnrin gbọ́dọ̀ ka ẹbí ẹ̀ kún lórí iṣẹ́ tó bá fẹ́ ṣe, wọ́n láti ka family ẹ̀ kún, kó rántí pé Yorùbá fi ní rántí ọmọ ẹni tí ìwọ ṣe lórí iṣẹ́. Ó yẹ kó rántí ẹbí ẹ̀, kó rántí ìgbéyàwó títí ẹ̀ náà, kó rántí ẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀. It's uncalled for going out 4 a.m. coming back 11, 12 midnight for a woman that is married, that has family, has husband, has children, has who to cater for, who to take care of. It's uncalled for. A woman should remember she is a wife, she is a woman, and she is a mother. Point number 7. Women should be more concerned of their deen. Obìnrin Mùsùlùmí, ẹ̀sìn ẹ̀ ló jẹ́ paramount tó gbọ́dọ̀ mójútó. Tóbìnrin bá mójútó ẹ̀sìn ẹ̀, ó máa mójútó nǹkan mẹ́rin. A mójútó ọkọ, a mójútó àwọn ọmọ, a mójútó àwọn òbí títí ẹ̀ náà, a dẹ̀ mójútó àwùjọ. Number 1, obìnrin is half of the deen of a man. Ìdajì ẹ̀sìn ọkùnrin lóbìnrin jẹ́. Number 1 yẹn. Number 2, àlùjánnà àwọn ọmọ ẹsẹ̀ obìnrin ló ní kó wà, ó di méjì. Ẹ̀kẹta, she is a key determinant factor in the paradise of the father. Bí bàbá ọgbọ́n ọmọbìnrin ṣe máa di èrò àlùjánnà, ọmọbìnrin jẹ́ kókó nínú ẹ̀. Torí Ànábì Muhammad ti jó yé wa sallallahu alaihi wasallam wípé tí ọkùnrin bá tọ́ ọmọbìnrin méjì dáadáa, òun garanti ẹ̀ ní àlùjánnà. Number 4, Ànábì Muhammad sọ fún wa wípé obìnrin tó bá ṣọ́ ara ẹ̀, tó ṣọ́ abẹ́ ẹ̀, tó ṣọ́ ẹnu ẹ̀, tó ń kí wákàtí márùn-ún, tó dẹ̀ tẹ̀lé àṣẹ ọkọ ẹ̀, ó lóun garanti ẹ̀ lálùjánnà. That is the society. Obìnrin, they are the custodian of the societal values. Tóbi máa ti rántí eléyìí, ayé máa tòrò. Number 8, nínú solution, self-discovery. Obìnrin náà Mùsùlùmí láti dára ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé obìnrin Mùsùlùmí lòun. Obìnrin Mùsùlùmí òun ni òun. Tí gbogbo èèyàn tó kù bá ń ṣe bó ṣe wù wọ́n, obìnrin Mùsùlùmí ò gbọdọ̀ ṣe bó ṣe wù. Bóbìnrin Mùsùlùmí ṣe máa ṣe ni pé kó ṣe in line with Quranic injunction, with the Sharia, compliance with the Sharia. Pé kí ni Islam wí? Òun fẹ́ tajà, kí ni Islam wí? Òun fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́, kí ni Islam wí? Òun fẹ́ lọ́kọ, kí ni Islam wí? Òun fẹ́ bímọ, kí ni Islam wí? Gbogbo tó wá fẹ́ ṣe, kí ni Islam wí ni? Wọ́n máa ní ìyẹ̀bọ̀ tọ́gbé ghayra al-islami dinan falan yuqbala minhu wa huwa fil akhirati minal khasirin. I'm talking to the Muslim women. My message is for the Muslim Ummah. All these things are what we can go and cross-check in our Quran. A Muslim woman should identify herself and know herself and discover herself that I am a Muslim woman. What others are doing, I'm exempted from doing it as far as it is contrary to my Islamic values and societal values. Point number 9. On the solution, the religious interpretation, because a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀, àwọn tó ń ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn, àwọn náà dá sí wàhálà yìí. obìnrin kíní kan ni kò gbọdọ̀ jáde lé láì gbàṣẹ ọkọ, ẹrú ni kíní kankan. àwọn nǹkan kan bẹ ṣe pé Islam fóbìnrin láyè kó jáde kó lọ ṣiṣẹ́, àní Islam fóbìnrin láyè láti ní property, Islam fóbìnrin láyè láti jẹ ogún, Islam fóbìnrin láyè láti fi ogún lẹ̀ tí wọ́n pín, Islam fún obìnrin láyè kí wọ́n dáàbò bò, kí wọ́n dẹ̀ máa provide fún nínú ẹ̀sìn ẹ̀, nínú marriage ẹ̀. Islam dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó yẹ pé obìnrin kì í ṣe dúkìá, la fi fún obìnrin láyè pé kó máa jó ọkọ bàbá ẹ̀, kì í ṣe dúkìá ọkọ. Tí ọkọ yẹn bá ti dákẹ́, tó kọ́ á ti kú, business wọn àtọkọ yẹn ti parí, kó go ahead, kó padà sílé wọn, kó lọ fẹ́ ọkọ míì, kì í ṣe property ọkọ yẹn mọ́. ọmọ tó bá bí kalẹ̀ fọ́kọ yẹn, òun ni property tọkọ yẹn, life tiẹ̀ continue nìyẹn. Now Islam dẹ̀ fàyè lẹ̀ kóbìnrin kan ṣàlàyé fóbìnrin, obìnrin Islam kọjá kó yé, you can be number 1, you can be number 2, you can be number 3, you can be number 4. ẹnìkan kan ò lọ gba ọkọ ẹnìkan kan. So some interpretations of the religious scriptures ó yẹ ká tún yẹ̀ wò, ká má máa tú nítú pé léyìí tí ó máa jẹ́ kí obìnrin look like bí ẹni tí a kà kún, ká má jẹ́ kó look like that. eléyìí iṣẹ́ àwọn àfẹ́ ẹ̀sìn ni, àwọn ẹlẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀sìn. kóbìnrin lọ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́, Islam fàyè lẹ̀, kóbìnrin kọ́ṣẹ́, Islam fàyè lẹ̀, kóbìnrin ṣiṣẹ́, Islam fàyè lẹ̀. Number 10 nínú solution, some cultural values, àwọn àṣà kan bẹ tó ń ṣàkóbá fún ìgbésí ayé obìnrin. àwọn àṣà yìí ká look into it. èwo là ń fóbìnrin rúbọ, èwo là ń pa obìnrin fún, èwo là ń wá ọmọbìnrin tí ò tí ì mọ ọkùnrin, ẹ lọ wá òun náà wọn lò, ẹ lọ wá mẹ́ta wá, ẹ lọ wá mẹ́sàn wá, ẹ wá 12 wá. èèyàn ni wọ́n. Islam talks about the sanctity of the life of a woman. So àwọn àṣà yẹn, irú bí àwọn Mary Slessor wọ́n ṣe díjọ́ kìíní àná tán pa gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yẹn rẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ oníbejì dé ká má pa àwọn ọmọ. Islam ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́, bí ayé dáńbì kó ti láti nígbà táwọn àìmọ̀ kan, lárúbáwá àìmọ̀ kan jọ́ kìíní àná tí wọ́n ń pa àwọn obìnrin, tí wọ́n ń pa ọmọbìnrin bó ṣe wù wọ́n. Islam lọ́kọ́ fáìtì fún wọn pé bí ayé dáńbì kó ti láti kí ló tẹ̀ ń pa ọmọbìnrin nígbà tẹ́ bá pa àwọn obìnrin tán, ta ló fẹ́ máa bí ọmọ mi fún yín? So we should look at it in the modern world today. Tabawa look into the cultural values. Káwá wo in the marketing sector, àwọn tó ń fobìnrin tajà, tó ń fobìnrin pawó, tó ń fobìnrin tajà, máa bọ́ra sí òwò, kó máa jó títì, máa jó káàkiri, máa bọ́ra lẹ̀, wá àpá kí nǹkan wọ̀nyí. Value wo ló hard sọ́jà tó ń tà? Value wo ló hard? It's a personal experience. One of the young ladies now tó máa ń jó káàkiri títì yẹn, she told me her experience. But before káwọn tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa jó, pé they were given dry gin to drink. La fi sọ nípa drug àti being drunkard. All in the name of looking for money. There's integrity in labor. So we should look in this aspect also. Káyé máa fọmọ obìnrin, káyé máa fi wọ́n ta ọjà. And then the final point 11, is that all women should go back into Islam and see how women, the earlier women, how they contributed, how they have been liberated, how they contributed to the development of their family, of their husbands, of their children, of their society. We should all look into it. They should go back. Look into Aisha, radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Let's look into Khadija, Zuwaiba, all of them, Fatima, earlier women. Let us look into how they contributed to the development of Islam then. And we should remember that their actions were all in compliance with the Sharia laid down. Islam sọ fún wọn. And we should remember that وَمَنْ يَبْتَغِي غَيْرَ الْإِسْلَامِ دِينًا فَلَنْ يُقْبَلَ مِنْهُ. Gbogbo ẹni bá lo nǹkan bí láti fi wá ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ̀, Ọlọ́run náà nígbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wá wà fil akhirati minal khasirin. Tó bá dín náà lálẹ́ kíámọ̀ ẹni òfò ni o. On this junction, àdánù dúró lé lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. The 3 series, the 3 episodes mẹ́ẹ̀ta ní ká lọ wò, ká wá join ẹ̀ papọ̀, ká gbọ́ ìkíní, Islamic position on women, feminism itself, and then evils in feminism and solution. Tá bá wò mẹ́ẹ̀ta ìpapọ̀, ẹ̀kọ́ bẹ níbẹ̀ fún ìdílé mùsùlùmí àgàgà fún àwọn obìnrin wa léyìí tí ó fẹ́ káwa náà jẹ́ ẹni èrè yes when I say ẹni èrè tí ó jèrè láyé tí ó sì jèrè ní àlùkìyámọ̀. Kóbìnrin lọ rántí pé obìnrin ni iyọ̀ ayé. Tí ẹran bá bàjẹ́ wọ́n ní ẹ fi iyọ̀ sí kó má bàjẹ́, ẹja wọ́n ní ẹ fi iyọ̀ tún ṣe, ata wọ́n ní ẹ fi iyọ̀ tún ṣe, oúnjẹ iyọ̀ síbẹ̀ bí iyọ̀ bá wá bàjẹ́ ńkọ́ kí ló fẹ́ fi tún ṣe? Gbogbo obìnrin pátá àgàgà obìnrin mùsùlùmí ó di ọwọ́ wa. Tóbìnrin mi ti yàyàkúyà kalẹ̀ sínú Islam, tóbìnrin mi lọ ń gbá nǹkan míì tó lọ ń rìnrìn kúrìn tó fi ń wá agbára ayé. Waman kana yuridu al-izzata falillahi al-izzu jami'an. Ọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run kan lágbára wa o. Torí díẹ̀ yìí tí wọ́n fẹ́ jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ wa káwo bí Islam ṣe gbé kalẹ̀ fún gbogbo obìnrin pátá. Islam ti liberate obìnrin. Islam gangan tó wáyé gan ó wáyé torí obìnrin ni. Islam wá jà fún obìnrin ni ó dẹ̀ wá fún obìnrin lẹ́tọ́ ẹ̀. So táwọn feminism máa ń pariwo ara wọn kò sí nǹkan tó kan obìnrin mùsùlùmí nínú àwọn ilé akólókọ́ lè hazard astaghfirullah walakum ajma'ina. Lórí eléyìí a máa dánu lólé ni insha Allah ta'ala. A máa mú next topic wa over the next week. A fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa the globalization and identity of Muslims. Ayé ti dáyélujára, báwo ni mùsùlùmí ṣe fẹ́ dára ẹ̀ mọ̀ nínú ẹ̀? How do we identify ourselves? So this is our program. We need your support. We will be saying it. We thank those that has been supporting us. Alhaji Tajuddin Odulaja, thank you for your tremendous support. We really appreciate you. You are making your effort. We really thank you. All of our duty, Jazakumullah khairan. We need more. Our cameras are not there. We don't have it yet. We need support. Please come to our support. Come to our aid, so that this program can go on. Our email address is on the screen. Our YouTube address is there. Our Facebook page is there. Likewise, our Twitter and WhatsApp. And also, ultimately, our bank account number is there, which you can send your tokens to give this program an uplift so that we can do and we can go more. On this note, may Almighty Allah continue to bless all of you and bless all of us. And all this that we've been listening to and we have been saying, may it count into the scale of our good deeds on the day of Qiyamah. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا يا مولانا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. ربنا أفرج علينا صبرا وثبت أقدامنا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.